Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. My name is Harsha Lakshmikant Mendule. Currently, I am in MSc second year from Shivaji Science College. I am here to present thesis on the topic Sol gel autocombustion synthesis and characterization of spinel ferrite nanoparticles. These are the contents. What is Sol-gel? The Sol-gel process is a method of producing solid material from small molecule. The method is used for the fabrication of metal oxide, especially the oxide of silicon and titanium. The Sol-gel process is a wet chemical technique used for the fabrication of both glassy and ceramic material. In this process, the sol or solution involves gradually towards the formation of gel-like network connecting both a liquid phase and a solid phase. This technique produced by a combination of chemical sol gel and subsequent combustion process. An aqueous solution containing the desired metals, salts and organic fuel from a gel through a sol gel process. Thereafter, the gel ignited to combust, yielding a voluminous and fluffy product with large surface area. The application of sol gel are as follows. First one is partial hydrolysis of metal alkoxide to form reactive monomers. Second one is condensation of these monomers to form colloid-like oligomers sol formation. Third one is additional hydrolysis to promote polymerization and cross-linking leading to three-dimensional matrix gel formation. Fourth one is it is also used to prepare fiber, microsphere, thin film, fine powder and monolites. Last one is in the fields of telecommunication, biology and micro machines. Soldier gets as a following advantages: versatile, better control of the structure including porosity and particle size, possibility to incorporating nanoparticles and organic material into soldier derived oxide, extended composition range. It also the fabrication of any oxide composition but also non-oxide as well as the production of new hybrid organic inorganic material which do not exist naturally. Better homogeneity due to mixing at the molecular level, high purity, less energy consumption. There is no need to reach the melting temperature since the network structure can be achieved at relatively low temperatures near Tg. Coating and thin films, monoliths, composite, porous membrane, powder and fiber. No need for special or expensive equipment. Sol-gel also has these disadvantages: cost of precursor, shrinkage of a wet gel upon drying which often leads to fracture due to the generation of large capillary stresses and consequently make difficult an attainment of large monolith pieces. Preferential prescription of a particular oxide during sol formation in multi-component glassy due to the different reactivity of the alkoxide precursor. Difficult to avoid residual porosity and OH group. This is the process that we have followed to get the result. The sol-gel process involves the transition of a solution system from a liquid sol into a solid gel phase. A sol is a dispersion of the solid particle in a liquid where only the Brownian motion suspend the particle. The sol is heated to form a gel. A gel is state where both liquid and solid are dispersed in each other, which present a solid network connecting liquid component. The starting material used in the preparation of the sol are usually inorganic metal, salt or metal organic compounds such as the metal alkoxide. The precursor is subjected to a series of hydrolysis and polymerization reaction to form a colloid suspension or a sol. With further drying and heat treatment, the gel is converted into dense material. The sol gradually evolves toward the formation of gel like phase system containing both liquid and solid phase, whose morphology ranges from discrete particle to continuous polymer network. Revolve of remaining liquid phase requires only drying process. Segal defines Sol-Gel process as the production of inorganic oxide either from colloid dispersion or from metal alkoxide. The precursor starting compound for the preparation of colloid consists of a metal or metallide element surrounded by the various reagents. Metal alkoxide are like alcohol, with a metal atom M replacing the hydrogen H in hydroxyl group. They constitute the class of chemical precursor most widely used in sol-gel synthesis because they undergo hydrolysis depending on the amount of water and crystallized present. According to the sol-gel technology is a typical nanotechnology because all the product may contain nanoparticles or nanocomposite. Hence, it plays a vital role in the development of modern nanotechnology for the preparation of new material. Two different sol-gel process can be observed from the flow chart of the sol-gel processing using a sol or solution. Starting with the sol, the gel material consists of a identification colloid particle that have been joined together by surface process to form a dense product. This solution sol-gel process is receiving considerable research interest because the sol-gel process based on the gelling or suspension find more widespread application. The starting material consists of solution of a metal alkoxide is appropriate alcohol. By using this process, we have successfully created in nanoparticle. Then XRD result XRD is the series of x equal to 0.0 and lattice constant is 8.350. Series x equal to 0.40, lattice constant 8.116. Series x equal to 1.00, lattice constant 8.350 and bulk density 3.638, x equal to 0.4 series, bulk density is 3.617, x equal to 1.0, bulk density 3.587. And last one is conclusion. The Ni1 minus X CuX Fe2O4 centered as 500 degrees Celsius was successfully synthesized by sol-gel autocombustion method. The XRD studies confirm the formation of single-phase spinel ferrite. The values of lattice parameter A are in the range of 5 minus A angstrom respectively, which authentic the formation of spinel ferrite. The X-ray density was found higher for synthesized nanomaterial as compared to bulk material. The lower porosity confirms the minimum presence of pore, indicating large surface area. The particle size calculated by Debye formula was found to be 17 nm and 18-19 meter. Debye-Scherer's formula. Thank you. Thank you, sir.